Don't forget to subscribe for the latest tips and tricks on starting and running your remote business. A big question that's been asked is if you can open a business bank account without an EIN. Let's talk about it. A majority of banks require an EIN when applying, but there are exceptions, and overall, it'll depend on the individual bank and its policies. Make sure to do your research on the bank before applying. Technically, single-member LLCs and sole proprietorships are not required to have an EIN, as they're taxed as individuals. If that's the case, it might not be worth it to get your unique business tax ID. Also, some institutions may be open to using your Social Security number or your SSN to register, so it's worth checking first. For other business entities, it may be possible to use other types of documentation instead of your EIN. But remember, it could be more time-consuming than just applying for one. Also note, having an EIN is the #1 way to protect yourself from identity theft and keep your liability in place. If you don't have one, you'll be using your SSN for everything. The more it's shared, the higher the probability that it will get stolen. As a business, this isn't wise since you'll be filling out multiple documents and your business information will consistently be on public records. Hackers will be thanking you. You don't want that. So if you care about protecting your privacy, get an EIN. So why do you need an EIN? First, an EIN is a 9-digit number assigned to businesses in the US by the IRS that act like a Social Security number for your business. Your business will be asked for its EIN when tax forms are being filled out to ensure that the correct tax information is associated with the right business. An EIN also helps separate your personal and your business's financial lives. For the most part, there are far more advantages to getting an EIN for your business, especially if you're expecting to expand and you care about protecting your privacy and assets. As part of your EIN, you'll need to indicate a physical location of where your LLC operates and does business. A PO box is not allowed, and I don't recommend you using your home address because you'll be exposing your personal privacy. So what can you use? Your best option as a remote business is a virtual mailbox, where you can get a physical street address even if you aren't located there. Plus, you can manage your business correspondences online, like email. Oh, and you can use your virtual mailbox address on all business documents to give yourself peace of mind with a barrier between your business and the public. Get your virtual mailbox today.